Hi guys, welcome to the first video of a series where I will show you how I made my DIY lettering light with just $15 of material. As you could see, I already started by drawing the rough dimensions on the 2 cm plywood, then I proceed to make the cuts with a router and a homemade jig to cut circles. I begin with 2 shallow passes to create the space where the LED will be placed later. Then I proceed to cut the outside of the ring in more passes. Then I proceed to cut the inside of the structure. And here you can see all the circles have been cut. Then I proceed to remove the waste material from the ring, and this will become the base of the structure later on. And then with the jigsaw I remove these 2 parts. And here you can roughly see the shape that the ring light will have at the end. Now I started working on a 1/4 inch attachment for the camera. I just drilled a hole slightly smaller than 1/4 inch bolt and seated it in place with some chisel and hammer work. It will be held in place with the 1/4 inch bolt and from the other side of the plywood, and will also keep the camera in place. I will cut the base to the final shape and install the 1/4 inch bolt to attach it to the tripod. Then I assemble the camera mount base just with screws, glue and the help of 2 clamps, as you can see. Then I proceed to attach the camera mount to the base of the ring LED light with just some glue and screws as before. And then finally I proceed to glue and screw on the ring to the structure. Finally, as you can see, the structure is complete and mounted on tripod for demonstration.
Hi guys, this is the end of this video. This video was the first one of a series about this DIY LED ring light. This costed me about $15 in the making, and I am using it right now so you can judge if it's any good or not. And this video was about the structure. The next one will be about installing the LED, the power supply and how to make the wiring. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it, trying to learn to edit and trying to speak some, I hope, decent English. So please, if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, consider subscribing to this channel, and I really hope to see you next time. So, to the next time. Bye.